Power up with Conquer Technologies. Hey, are you tired of skyrocketing energy bills and the unpredictability of power outages? It's time to switch to a cleaner, greener, and more reliable power source, solar energy. At Conquer Technologies, we believe that every sunbeam should be harnessed for a brighter, sustainable future. Our cutting-edge solar panels don't just generate energy, they generate savings. With our top-tier installation services, you can slash your electricity bills and reduce your carbon footprint while basking in the glow of your smart investment. Here's why you should choose us. Top-notch quality, our panels are built to last, providing you with energy for decades. Affordability, we offer competitive pricing and flexible financing options. Expert installation, our certified technicians ensure a seamless transition to solar power. Sustainability, by going solar, you're contributing to a cleaner, healthier planet. Join the solar revolution today. Don't get left behind in the shadows. Visit our website for details and start your journey toward energy independence with Conquer Technologies. The future is solar, and it starts with you. Ready to light up your life with solar energy? Let's make it happen together.